With the Winter 2026 release, we're bringing one of the leading mobile scanning solutions to your servers and embedded devices. Introducing the Scanbot Linux SDK by Apryse. Easily extract structured barcode data from camera streams and image files, or analyze and enhance the quality of scanned documents on your server. The SDK is written in pure C and includes convenient wrappers for Java, Python, and Node.js. It runs efficiently on low-power platforms like the Raspberry Pi and supports GPU acceleration on more powerful devices like the NVIDIA Jetson. This makes it a great fit not only for the back-end, but also for embedded devices. No internet connection required. The SDK's barcode scanner detects and decodes barcodes from camera frames and outputs the encoded values in a structured format at rates of up to 25 barcodes per second. It supports all common barcode types and delivers accurate results even in challenging conditions. With the SDK's document scanner, you can process documents on your server to automatically straighten and crop them and apply quality-enhancing image filters. This optimizes them for manual and automatic processing, no matter if they come from email attachments, scanner feeds, or uploads from your customer portal. The built-in document quality analyzer rates the quality of each incoming document, flagging any that might not be suitable for further processing. After exporting the optimized scans, you can use Apryse's other solutions to complete your document workflow. Open the files in Web Viewer to annotate them, redact sensitive information, or sign them, even on mobile. Or use smart data extraction to turn your scans into AI-ready data. To learn more about the Scanbot SDK, head over to the Apryse website or visit scanbot.io.